This video is for the song Cool Walking Bass, which is from the lesson book level 2 or 3A. And this book is the second edition. And in this version, they did change the key. So I'm going to play for you this version from the second edition, followed by the version in the first edition, so that no matter which book you have, you can still use this video. So this is the version in F major from the second edition. And now the version from the first edition, which is in C position and is therefore a little bit lower. Okay, you can hear some differences between those two versions, but one thing they have in common is that they begin with the right hand on a 1 chord. So if I'm talking about the first edition version in C major, we have a 1 chord for the first 2 lines. Measure 5 goes to a 4 chord, 7, measure 9 plays the 6th, and then you go down a step in measure 10, and we're back to a 1 chord. Pretty simple. The left hand starts on low C. Play the same pattern twice, then you reach up for an F, and then a D flat, and you cross under to get yourself back to the C position. Okay, now if you have the second edition, which most students probably have, your right hand begins with the 1 chord, the F chord. You play that for 2 lines. Measure 5 is a 4 chord, measure 7, measure 9 is this 6th, measure 10. And then you're back to the 1 chord, and here is your final chord with a low F. Okay, left hand starts with second finger on F. And then you start that pattern again, but the second line has this interesting cross. A flat, A, B flat. Switch back to your second finger with a cross. Cross, low F. All right, whichever version you have, it's a pretty fun song. Have fun.